Good morning, happy homeowners. Back over here in Newport Beach. Getting ready to, man, you're going to see what we got done yesterday. Like a lot. So, remember we had the hand distressed walnut flooring. We're sanding it down, making it flat, giving it the natural look. Turn this around. But, so here's what it's going to end up looking like. But today, here's what we got done yesterday. This is all ready to be coated. Got the room done, cats are in here. That's all finished, bed's back. This was kind of crazy. Had to bring this bed over here, get this all done. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. See the difference? What's going to end up happening? So today we'll get all of this all the way down. It's in the next 2 hours we'll be coating it. If I turn this off and get busy. All right. Any questions? Reach out to us. You want a copy of our book, Secrets to Refinishing Wood Floors? Let us know. We answer all questions. Guys, whatever you're doing, have a great day.